you how to add an external participant to your Microsoft Teams video chat. I'm going to do it the method that I would with my classroom. So I'm going to open up my team and I'm going to use the Meet Now feature right here, this video camera, and we'll start and initiate a meeting with my entire class. You could use this any method you'd like, whether it's through the chat one-on-one or you could do an external one with a calendar invite, and that would automatically generate that link. If you went to the calendar, create a calendar invite and added that person to your meeting under required attendees, it would add that person right to that calendar invite. They would receive the calendar invitation and get the link. But I'm going to show you a method that I use with my students in a class. So I'm going to use this Meet Now feature. I'm going to click Meet Now and it will initiate a meeting. I'm just going to click on the mute microphone button so we don't hear a lot of background noise. What my students would do would be they would open the team up and they would see this join button. And that's how my students would get in. And in this example, I'm going to be inviting in a guest author. So I'm going to open the call. I'm going to click on the participants button right here. And I could invite someone this way. I'm just going to click on copy join info. And I'm going to tell the author to stand by. I'll start this call about 15 minutes before. And I will paste it into an email. And all the author would need to do once I sent the email is click join the team meeting. And I'm not logged into my browser, so it will be a true experience. The author will get this screen. They will not open in Microsoft Teams. They will click cancel and will say join on the web instead. Unless they have Teams, they can use a Teams app, but I'm not going to use that method because I'm assuming the author does not have Teams installed on their computer. And then when the author gets to the next screen, they will enter their name and click join meeting. So they enter their name. I'm just going to make sure that my mic is muted so I don't hear that background noise. And they'll click join now and it will notify them that they're in the waiting room and someone in the meeting will let them in. So that should come up here. Someone should let you in. I heard a little doorbell. It says waiting in the lobby. You can click on the check or the X. I'm going to click on the check and then you'll see two of me in this video chat because I'm the pretend guest author. And here I am twice, and you'll just make sure that the author leaves the call before you so they're not in here unsupervised with your students